I'm hopefully back on track now. Hi everybody and welcome back. My voice is almost back, but after 11 days offline, more or less, with the DJing and carnival, I'm hopefully back on track now. So I'm gonna try to make a daily vlog again for you and keep you updated what I try to do to make music, to produce music, to release the records, to get them on Spotify, and of course to get more gigs. And hopefully all the gigs can go through, so there is no problems anymore with Corona. We went to Maastricht and I should play 5 times in a row. I told you, but I only played 2 times with a lot of problems. I was happy to play 2 times. We came back to Spain, and the day after we went to Gornaba because a friend of ours restyled a bar there and he wanted to show us the bar. So we went out and celebrate Carnival again, and now I just want to make music, get back on track again, produce music, make vlogs for you, tell you all about my DJ life and all about the things I do. I need to install my new music computer because the old one was from 2013 and it started to have some issues. So I'm installing all the new programs on the new laptop, and then I need to sort out all the music that I have, because there are a lot of old tracks. I don't play them anymore, so I think I've got 11,000 tracks on my hard disk and I want to sort them all out. I know it's a time-consuming job, but I only want to do an hour a day sorting out the music, because when you do longer than that, in the end you don't hear it anymore and you think everything is bad or everything is good. And 11,000 numbers, tracks in one day, you don't gonna get it. So I start simply out with all the categories, and then one by one I gonna select them and sort them out. I also brought a mountain bike from Holland from my friend Giant Store Marco in Maastricht. He also built the bikes for me when I did the Ironmans, and he does the maintenance when I in Maastricht and with a bike. I always go to him. So big shout out to Marco. If you are in Maastricht, just say hello from me. And I put the mountain bike together, and this week I gonna test it out and I keep you updated about that. I will make a vlog about the bike and when I went out with the bike. And if I like things or don't like them, I will tell you about it. So I keep you updated about the bike. And today it's Monday, so I had to do a lot of bookkeeping because I was 12 days from home and I didn't answer any emails or downloaded any stuff. So today it's a little bit working in the office. We all have to do it. So today is an office day. Not a lot of music making because there's not a lot time for that. And today I sent a lot of DJ mixes from me. They will be broadcasted on a radio station. More about that. I first had to send some mixes. Now they're gonna listen to it, and if they like it, they're gonna put them on the air. So they will be broadcasted in Holland. When they are broadcasted, I keep you updated about that, and I will post that. So for now, I want to keep it short. I still have to do a lot of things and a lot of things to arrange, and I hope to see you tomorrow back. So if you like the video, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, push the notification bell, subscribe to my Instagram, and my voice is almost gone again. So I hope to see you tomorrow back. Enjoy!